Hi guys, welcome back to the Puro Fail Show. For today's show we have 4 segments full of the funniest videos as we do every week. So let's quickly start with our first segment, which is one of the most requested, the air horn pranks. Let's check them out.
No.
I spent half my day cleaning those buckets out. Ah!
You stupid.
Nothing. Jesus.
Oh,
It's the final one. Son of a you that you.
I'm gonna kill you. I'm coming.
Scaring people with air horns is never going to get old. They are just too funny. If any of you guys want an air horn like those, we are going to leave some Amazon links in the description down below. Now for our next segment, we have another one of your favourites, the Gadgets and Masks collection. Let's check them out.
Oh, and there's people upstairs sitting there.
I can help. Salva.
I'll kick your ass. You know that? You get out of here. Oh my God!
Forget mommy.
Tyler! Why would you do that? Oh my god!
Can I get a large iced vanilla latte, please?
So yeah, this is our pasta water. No! Oh, I'm
It's fake.
yo.
What the
Oh my
God! Prodigy, come here!
Becca. That was so vulnerable. I just took a.
I come from. Without a doubt, you know which is my favourite of this collection. It definitely was the woman who pretended to be a chair and put a skeleton in front of her in a restaurant, causing her attendant to jump. That one was just too much for me. Well guys, now for our next segment, we have the behind the door ones. Let's check them out.
How dare you?
Jesus Christ!
She was messing with Jen.
I heard her scream.
Yeah.
Hey!
Evil people! Evil!
Hey.
Do your shit.
Man, oh, it's on video too? Dude. Oh, I almost.
So stupid.
Oh, good. I'll just had all the time. Hey.
Babe.
I think many of us have done those scares. Waiting behind the door is just a classic move. Well guys, sadly we have reached the end of today's show. But before we go, we have our last segment. And most of you know which one it is. The favourite ones. Let's check them out.
Shannon, did you do your VPI for next month?
Yes, I did.
Naomi was in here.
Ah! You oh, I hate you so much.
Oh my god, I'm gonna kill you.
Here, right here, this guy.
Well guys, that was all for today's show. If you liked the video, please leave a like as that would help us out a lot. And also guys, we would really appreciate it if you can follow us on Twitter. The link will be in the description of the video. Have a great day.